24 to 28.
Question number 25.
20?
25.
25. One is plus 3 micro, another is minus. Separate 20 in vacuum. They are asking what you call. They are asking along OB, along OA. So where is what you call electric field at the mid? I think you missed that.
Yes.
If it is midpoint, we can calculate 2 times 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by a square. A will take as how much? 10 centimeter.
So question number 29 is.
And you are here 24 to 28. This is an incomplete question.
So question number 29 is same question, sir. That one only. In that entire question is.
Acha. Then midpoint is a plus charge field is away. It is a minus charge field is towards. Then both fields must same by epsilon naught 3 into 10 power minus 6 by r square 10 power minus 2. Calculate this. Can I do it?
Yes.
Any are here? 24 to 28. Hello. Hello.
So 28. Sir.
See here. 26 and 27, 28, 3 questions. An oil drop, what you call, has 12 excess electrons. So charge on that will be minus 12 E, na? Because it has 12 electrons extra. Na?
Yes. Sir.
The field is there. The density, they estimate the radius. So this 26 is. So what happens there? The charge drop, weight will be there acting vertically downwards on the electric force EQ. Then E into Q is 12E. Is balanced by 4 by 3 pi r cube into density into G. Can you do the calculation? Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Similar kind is 35 also, just like 26. Same thing. It has E into N into E, electric force, is equal to weight of 4 by 3 pi r cube into dou into G. You directly given this one. Here, like a concept given, there directly problem given. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Say the 27 now. Reason is given, length of each plate is given. He is asking now, vertical deflection. So this is one plate, this is another plate. Electron projected horizontally with a speed Vx. Assume this is minus plate plus, because electric field is upward, then only electron will what do you call get a force experience will be in downward. Then without electric field it will move straight only. Because of electric field it is deviating in the path. So by ending, this is ending point, this is entering point. The total length of horizontal distance is L. So by traveling a x horizontal distance, it is coming out vertically how much? Y. If you remember horizontal projectile, this formula dg by 2e square into x square. Hello.
Yes.
Then y equal to what is g here? Acceleration e by m. 2m into u square into x square. Here x is how much? L. Finding out deviation. Can you do it? So
Yes,
it
sir.
will be E into L square by 2m into Vx square. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Nana? Everybody?
Yes.
28. See the problem number 28. A hollow spherical conductor of radius 1 meter has a charge of 250 microcoulomb. The electric field at a point 0.5 in the center. This is our later after Gauss law. Okay. Next 29 to 33. Hello. 29 to 33. People are there.
Yes.
29 to 33. Hello. 29 to 33. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Everybody check it out, Nana. Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Everybody got tried this or not? Hello. All of you, Nana.
Sir, 29 question, what would be the
20, this one. This is a plus charge.
Yes,
Na?
sir.
At this point,
Yes.
field is away from it. As it is a minus charge from the point towards the charge, then both are pointing towards. So it is the AOB or OB along AO. Any direction is okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
AOB or OB or AO. Anything is okay. Next, Nana. Hello. Any are there?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Any further, Nana, in this page? Be quick. Check it out, everybody. Hello. Any doubts are there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Here, up to 38. Hello, everybody. Hello.
So for 36th one, what will be the direction?
36, Nana.
Yes, sir.
The electrons in a particle beam have a kinetic energy this much. What is the magnitude direction of electric field? Stop these electrons at a distance. So these are electrons. Na? Electrons are moving towards right. Then they should experience a force E into E in the opposite direction. Then electric field must be applied in the same direction, just like that their velocity direction. Then electric field is right. This is a negative charged particle. Then electric is force towards left. So velocity and acceleration are opposite in direction. It will get decelerated. Na? Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So stopping distance is given u square by 2a only. Na? V is 0. Then u square by 2 into a is E by m. So half m u square into 1 by E into it. This much is the distance. Or he asking electric field E equal to mu square by 2se. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Substitute the values. 9 into 10 power minus 31 kg electron. Speed is given. Directly kinetic energy given. That means he given what you call the value of what you call this half m square value is given directly. Got it? By the distance in the electronic charge. Then what happens if you solve it? So 16 into 10 power minus 18 joules by distance 10 power minus 1 meter into electronic charge 16 into 10 power minus 20 cancel minus 20 it is 10 square 1000 Newton per coulomb in the direction of velocity. In the direction of velocity of electrons. Got it?
Yes.
Hello. Then
Yes.
only it can get decelerated. Got it, Nana? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Next, Nana. Hello. Any are in this page? Be quick. Everybody. After this class, any class is there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
మరి చచ్చిపోయిన శవంగాళ్ళు కూర్చుంటారు యాక్టివ్ కూర్చోగా ఇదే లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ కదా అండ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ క్లాస్ 2 to 3 ఆల్సోనా టుడే
No, sir.
12:15 నుంచి ఖాళీ బెవర్స్ 3 దాకా అయినా ఇంకా ఇంకా ఏడుపు ముఖాలు పెట్టి ఇలా కూర్చుంటారు నీరసంగా బి యాక్టివ్ ఎవ్రీబడి హలో
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
తిన్నారు కదరా పీకిల దాకా హలో
Yes, sir.
మహేష్ క్లాస్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఎంత హలో
Total strength 96, sir.
96 మరి గాడిద గాళ్ళు ఇంకా రాలేదు 57 మెంబర్స్ వచ్చారు పడుకుంటారు
Answer కూడా పెట్టండి sir. కొంచెం
అదే,
ఆ lunch break తర్వాత ఎవరికి రావట్లేదు.
అదేనమ్మా మా 12:30 కల్లా పీకిల దాకా తినేసి పడుకుని ఉంటారు అదోలో ఫుల్ గాను ఏదంటే తలుపు వేసుకుని బయట సౌండ్ అని చెప్పి డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అని రూమ్ లో పడుకుని ఉంటారు బీ క్విక్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్ దిస్ పేజ్
No, sir.
ఎవ్రీబడి
No, sir.
No, sir.
up to this point sir 39 and 40 hello hello
No doubts.
level 2 question number 1 to 5 level 2 question number 1 to 5 any doubts hello question number 1 to 5 any doubts are there hello any doubts are there Ra?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
6 to 8 hello
No, sir.
Sir, 8th one. Sir.
8th one
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
a charge 2 coulomb is placed in the positive 1 meter along 1 meter from origin along negative x-axis. An infinite number of charges each of 2 coulomb is also 2. 1 along positive 2, 4 atom. The first charge is positive alternative or what you call plus and minus. The electric field at the center of the origin. So, one charge is at what you call 1 meter on the negative x-axis. Remaining are plus and minus. Hello. So this is origin. They are asking field at origin only 1, 2, 4, 8 like that only given. Na? Yes. And this is at 1. This is 2 coulomb. First one is plus 2, second one minus 2, third one is plus 2 like this one. So this field plus away. These two will cancel. Na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This and this will cancel. Na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what is left over? then ignore these two, what you call, charges. They cannot produce any field. Then the leftover field, what you call, we have is nothing but this is -1 +1 minus. Minus is towards, plus is away, minus is to alternative plus and minus. As this is very close, so this will dominate. So direction will be along positive x-axis only, finally direction. So forget about direction. Get the magnitude. So in this one, k into q by r square, kq is constant. Remove common that 9 into 10 power 9 into 2 coulomb into 1 by 1 square minus, because this direction is plus, left is minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4 square, so on. Then 18 into 10 power 9. This is given as centimeter or meter? Meter,
Meters.
no need to convert. Then 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16, so on. Then is a geometric progression, a by 1 minus r is minus 1 by 4 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
5 by
Yes.
4 will become 4 by 5 into 18 into 10 power 9. So this will go 3.6, then 14.4 into 10 power 9 along positive x-axis. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understood, Nana? These two are cancelling, but this is minus charge producing towards along positive x, plus charge along negative. So this direction is taken as positive, this direction. That's why this is plus, minus, plus, so on. Geometric series. Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you should get even in terms of options. So you leave it there like the 1 by 4 pi epsilon, leave it like that. Okay? Hello? Got it, Nana?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
9 to 12.
12th one, sir.
11th one.
See the 11th one. He is saying a body of mass 10 gram having a charge of how much? 2 coulomb is what I call attached to the spring which is suspended from ceiling. The vibrating, then the time period of oscillation is how much? 1 second. If an electric field is applied 10 Newton per coulomb downward direction, the time period becomes time period of a spring pendulum. It is not simple pendulum, not spring pendulum.
M by
2
K.
pi root m by k. 2 pi is a constant, m is constant, k is, I am not changing the spring, not the mass. Whether you apply electric field upward or downward, time period will not change. So time period remains constant. So the answer will be how much?
1 second.
It will be 2 pi root of g plus eq by mg. That depends on if it's simple pendulum, na? Not
Yes.
spring pendulum.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understood, na, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because of that, amplitude may change. But what happens? The time period of oscillation will not change. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, 9 to 12, any are there?
12th one, sir.
12th one.
12th one. Assume this is Q1, this is Q2. Q2, I want to find out what is the value of Q. So at this point, plus charge will produce field even,
Yes, sir.
name as even. At this point, it will produce field how much? E2.
Two.
Then how many fields are there at the point P? 2 fields, huh?
2 fields.
Then resultant field will be in this direction. Then this is making an angle 30 degrees here. Then how much angle with the x-axis?
60.
Then vertical by horizontal only, na? Vertical means E1.
Yes,
By horizontal means E2 only, na? So tan 60 is E1 by, what is E1? K into charge, root 3 coulomb by 3 K by 4. What is E2? Due to the charge Q. Then it will be along positive x-axis. So KQ by square. That is called k cube by 4. So tan 60 is root 3 equal to E1 by E2 k by 4
Okay.
into 4 by q. K.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Q equal to 1 coulomb only na?
Yes.
Got it na everybody?
Yes, sir.
You figured out the direction and all
Yes,
this
sir.
Yes.
one. Hello. Any are there in this page? Hello.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Done? In this one,
13th one, sir.
question.
outside speed, this will come later man. See the 14th one. The electron with a velocity 2.4 is given in a uniform electric field. Moves along the field and until it comes to rest. The distance traveled by the electron before coming to rest. Stopping distance only na. Initially your final velocity 0. Then acceleration must be towards left. Then only it will travel certain distance and finally comes to rest. So stopping distance is u square by 2a only na. Hello. Use the equation v square minus c square is 2as. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
E by m na. E by m acceleration electric field. Can you do the calculation?
Yes, sir.
Electron 9 into 10 power minus 31 kg. U square 24 into 10 power 5, or you just leave that as 24 only. Why to again do it 5 is 26. 10 power 10 by 2 into electric field is 135. Electronic charge is 16 into 10 power minus 20. 2 into 1, 270. This will go how many times? 30 times, no?
Yes, sir.
So 24 will go in 480 20 times only, no? 16 into 30 is 480, na?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
20. Then 10 power minus 20, 10, 30 plus 30. Got it? Minus 31. 1 is there. 10 power minus 2 into how much? 12. 0.12 meter, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Understood, na everybody? You need to manipulate the values. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any are there here?
So 17th one.
16th one, sir.
17th one. A sphere having a charge, what do you call, just at rest, what do you call, without falling down, touching a vertical wall. Applying horizontal field, what do you call, 100 Newton per coulomb. Charge is this much, quotient of friction between the wall and the sphere is 0.2. Mass of the sphere is, let us see. Okay. This is the wall now. Okay. Hello, visible now?
Yes, sir.
Let us take this is the wall. And a ball is there. mg is acting vertically downward. Then friction will be upward. This is having a charge. Electric field is applied. So electric force EQ should be there. Normal reaction will be there. So horizontal equilibrium N must be equal to EQ. And it is vertically also equilibrium. Then mg should be equal to frictional. Frictional force is mu times normal reaction. So mg equal to mu into normal reaction is E into Got it?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Understood, Nana? Now, what is the data he given? What is the mass? He is asking mass only. M into G take as 10 equal to mu is given as 0.2 into electric field is 100 into charge is 1 by 100. So M is equal to 2 by 100 kg. Hello, got it? Hello, 2 by 100 na? 20 into 10 power minus 3 kg, can I write?
Yes.
Can I call as 20 gram?
Yes.
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 Got it, Nana, everybody?
Yes.
This is just like body pressed against a vertical wall, na? Book pressed against a wall only, na? Friction problem.
Yes, sir.
Understood, Nana, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next. Any
16
answer in this
questions.
case? Oh, tell Papa.
16 questions.
Everybody got this? Copied? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Done, Nana? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Thin half ring. This also will come later, Mama, after tomorrow's class. Okay.
Okay.
Next, Nana. 18 to 21,
19th.
19.
19th. So it is like a projectile only, na? Whether it is touching or hitting here or moving out. So like this we have to find out. As theta is 45, range will be maximum. Na?
Yes.
What is the range in that case? U square by G. Here in this example case, U square by E by M only. Na? Hello. What is max height? U square sin square theta by 2G. E square by 4G. Na? Hello. In this case, U square by 4 into G. G means here acceleration. E by M only, na?
Yes, sir.
So we need to calculate range. We need to calculate maximum height. Check it out. But what is the distance D given? 3 centimeter. First find out what you call maximum height. Maximum height is M 9 into 10 power minus 31 into U square 36 into 10 power 12 by 4 into electric field 2000 into electronic charge minus 20. Okay. Now in this one minus 20, this one plus 32. So have 10. 10, 0 will cancel. Okay. Hello. 4 will go on 9 times. 9 into 9, 81 by 32 into 1 by 100 meters. Into 100, you will convert centimeter. So 81 by 32 means less than 3 centimeter only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then, if you observe carefully, this D is given as how much? 3 centimeters. So it moves there and comes here. So can it touch that upper part?
No, sir. No, sir.
So will it hit the upper plate? No. Then will it hit the lower plate? If it's hitting, maybe the range may be less than the length or equal to length or more than length. You have to check it out. So calculate the range first. If you observe from this one, range is nothing but 4 times h only, na? Theta is 45.
Yes, sir.
4h cot theta, do you remember?
Yes,
Or here u square by 4g. Here what do you call, this is u square by g only, na? Into 4. Then 4 into 81 by 32. 8 times. 81 by 8 is almost 10 centimeter. Got it? Hello. 10.125 na?
Yes.
He given length is how much? 10. Then approximately lower plate at the edge. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got the logic, Nana?
Yes. Yes.
Next. Copy this, everybody.
Sir, how lower plate, sir?
What is the distance here to here?
10
10
centimeters.
Actually, if he is considering gravity, then G plus EQ by M, na, denominator is more, fraction is less than that. If you consider gravity also, what happens? The range will become U square by G plus EQ by M, na?
Yes, sir.
Hello. What is that one? 36 into 10 power 12 by G take as 10 plus EQ by M. 2000 into 16 into 10 power minus 20 by 9 into 10 power minus 31. Okay. 10 power minus 31 minus 20. How much plus 11? 10 power 14. Na?
Yes, sir.
So 90 plus 32 into 10 power 14 by 36 into 10 power 12. Then for this one, this add are very less, na?
Yes, sir.
Then 10 power 4, 10 power how much? 6, na?
Yes, sir. 10 power 8, no, sir.
8. This will be how much? Calculate the value. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Into also, if you take LCM here, 10 power minus, into 9 also there, na, here. Again. You just calculate if you have taken only with the, what do you call, electric field only. If you consider gravity also, this range you will get less than 10 centimeter. Or just about to 10. Very close to 10. That's why he given options as what do you call
Lower
it? Which
plate.
plate? Lower plate at
Edge.
the just touches the point. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, Nana. 18 to 21. Any are there? Let me know. Hello.
So 21 is not there.
Dipole, this is not there now. From here it is not there. Only up to 20. Again check it out. Level 2, question number 1 to 20. Any doubts are there? Hello. Everybody? All of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any are there, Nana?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then revise again the notes, Nana. Exercise 2 on the problems and workbook once again do it. Still any doubts are there? Let me know tomorrow.
Sir,
Tell Papa.
sir, I have a doubt in exercise 3, sir, textbook.
Tell Papa.
So once can you explain question number 13 and 19?
Infinite charge, each of 5 nanocoulomb, 10 power minus 9. 1, 2, 4, 8 centimeters. Conjugate charge and opposite electric field at x equal to 0, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you are placing at 1, 2, 4, 8, so on. Assume this is plus q, this is minus q, plus q, minus q. Then plus will produce away, minus will produce towards plus will. So the alternative plus and minus, na?
Yes.
In this one, kq is common, na? 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 4 square, so on, na? Because I am taking what do you call this as plus remaining or opposite. This direction I am taking as plus.
Yes.
Then this will be minus. This direction will be plus, like that. Got it?
Yes.
Then 9 into 10 power 9 into 5 nanocoulomb, 10 power minus 9. These are centimeters, na? Into 10 power minus 4, na?
Yes.
I'll comment 10 power 4
Yes,
also count. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16, so on is there. Then this is geometric series A by 1 minus R. R is minus 1. So this value will become how much? 4 by 5, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Now what about this multiplying number here? This is continuing here. Then this number will be, so 9, 9, 10. 9 into 5, 45 into 10 power 4.
3600.
36.
Into 10 power 4. Towards, because this is first one dominating. This is the largest force field. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, like for those type of questions you gave ready-made formula, no, sir, like Q by 5.
that's, we derived now. We derived long ago. Just they are asking. I told. Okay.
No, sir, like can we do by that formula, sir?
We can do it, but you have to remember the distance is there in meters. We have taken 1 to 4. It here centimeters. You have to multiply into 10 power plus 4, na?
Yes, sir.
That you should not forget. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, next one, which one? 19th one.
Yes.
Two charges plus 4q and plus q are separated by distance d. A point charge q is placed on the line joining in between such that all the three in equilibrium. All the three in equilibrium first, with respect to these two charges, this must be, trust me, it must be placed at equilibrium null point only, na?
Yes, sir.
Then what we have to do is, this is q. Null point will be in between them only, na?
Yes.
Then this is null point. Here is capital Q. This is null point. What is null point distance from the smaller charge x? X is r by under root of q2 by q1 plus 1. R by, this will be 2 plus 1. That is called how much?
3.
R by. Got it? If it is r by 3, what about this one now? 2r by 3 only, na?
Yes, sir.
So this person is already at null point. Forget about this person. Then system is equilibrium. Then this should be in equilibrium. This I am taking this as a reference. Then what is 4q doing? Repelling, na?
Yes, sir.
Then what this person has to do? Attract. That's why these are opposite. They will cancel. This also will be in equilibrium. That means one is repelling. This person has to attract. Then q into q by r square into 9. This should be balanced by k into how much? 4q square by r square, na?
Yes.
This,
Yes,
this
sir.
goes to this, na? Then q is equal to minus 4q by 9. Why minus? I told you these are plus and plus. Then this should be.
Minus.
Then I was repelled by this one and attracted with this. And then net force will be 0. I will be in the state of rest.
Equilibrium.
Got it, Nana?
Yes.
Yes.
Then you can check for this also. Again, that also will be in equilibrium. Got it? If you do for that also, check it out. Then q, 4q, here is capital Q. I was repelled by this one. Then I should be attracted with this one.
Yes, sir.
This is 2r by 3. Then k into q into 4q by r square is balanced by k into 4q into q by 4r square by 9. 4q, 4q, r square, k, k. Small q is there, it is not cancelled. Then q is equal to 4, what do you call 9 into capital Q by 4. Q equal to 4 into small q by 9. It should be minus because common sense. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then you do one thing, Nana, again revise electric field, notes, motion of a charged particle in uniform electric field concept. Again, practice all these problems because you don't have time in the future. If you practice properly, then only you can get benefit. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Do it, Nana,
Yes.
everybody. We will continue tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Papa, tell.
Sir, exercise 2, question number 24 and 27.
Still doubts, huh? 20, Nana?
24 and 27.
27 will come later, Nana, for you.
Okay. 24.
This also produce just above the surface. Of course, you can do that formula. What is that one is on the surface, na? On the surface, the field is electric field intensity is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Again, we'll do that sphere
Okay.
and all will come
Thank
later.
you,
Chalo.
Thank you, Subhas.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Right, man.